Alright, so, finally got this piece after, what, 6 months of waiting with the delays. Oh my goodness. And I just want to record this, so I already opened from the sides, unfortunately, so I'll be, not from the top yet, so I'll be doing that. Just want to be careful. Looks like there is a layer of plastic or what have you. Oh, good, I can just... Oh! It was more glorious than I thought it would be. Okay. Oh! Oh my god! Come here, look at this beaut. Look at this beaut. Woo! You see it well? Oh my... Oh, it's face down. Oh my god. Like, look at my hand. Oh my... Yep, it is. This is a whole meter plus of Lucario. Alright, let me sit you down and pop this up. Oh my. The box, it was not very heavy. Oh my god, this is glorious. Ooh. And it's kind of stiff. Not that it matters. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Oh, and I can just pull the bag down. Tear up some tape. Woo. Oh, you're kind of missing it. Ooh. Oh. I had to lay it back down a little bit. Let's see from the top. Yeah. Oh, and it's glorious. Ah, I love it. 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 Oh. Oh my goodness. I hate that my hands are a little sweaty right now, but oh my. Oh. I'm gonna set you up right on this. Let me just. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Oh, and it's it's quite soft. Like, okay, it's firm, but like, the fur is it's very like fine, I guess you would say. I don't know how. Oh my goodness, its stomach is the most fluffy. I hate how I'm so sweaty. But like, maybe. Oh my god. Yes. Beautiful. Oh my god. Can I? Okay. Be careful with the knife. Oh, baby. You are gorgeous. And I can kind of pose that hand. Yep. Oh my goodness. This is lovely. Woo. Oh, look at the little footsies. Oh my god. Woo. Well, that is definitely worth $600. Beautiful.